Cheddasauto here today to show you how to install your shifter bushings. There was some question whether or not these will work on the 86 to 89 Honda Accord / Aero deck. I'm going to show you today that they do fit. The transmission bushings that fit between here and here are already proven to be fitting, no problem. The shifter bushings also, no problem. They're exactly the same size as the Prelude of the same generation, same as the Civic, same as the EG Hatch, same as a lot of models. But one thing that nobody carries are these bushings right here that are hidden by the fastener. So this is where most of the play actually comes from, because no one ever replaces them because, well, they're riveted in, so it's a pain in the ass to remove them. Today I'm going to show you how to remove them and install the new ones. Okay, first of all, you can do this under the car if you like, but I prefer to pull the linkages out. Ethan Monahan actually pulled these out for me. Thank you very much. Just so we can test them for the Accord. Go ahead and grab a grinder, air grinder. You can use a file if you want, but you're probably going to be there all day. And go ahead and just grind the top of this rivet off, and then we're going to pound it through. Okay, now it's all ground flat. You're okay to take a punch, put it in the center. You can see I've already started the hole, and just pound the rivet through the part. It'll come out pretty easy. I've had some problems with some of them and had to grind off the other side and spread the ears, but most of them you just pound them right through depending on how rusted they are. You can see it slid right through, nice and easy, just like that. Now you're okay to pull it out and have a look at the bushings on the inside. So these are the culprit of most loose shifter bushings. I replaced them with something quite a bit harder called Delrin. It's an engineering plastic. It's a little bit of a smaller shaft because I use a grade 8 fastener rather than the dowel that you can see here. And after that, you just install them. Install the new bolt so there will be no welding or trying to rivet something back in place. It can be removed whenever you want. And after that, you're good to go. So the only difference I see with the Accord shift linkage is that it needs a small adapter washer that fits inside the big pocketed hole where the larger rivet used to go. So that'll be included in the kit with the Accords. When buying, make sure that you specify which model it is. That way I can include the stainless washer that fits inside the hole. It's a step washer, so it fits inside the hole, plus it also acts as a normal flat washer. And then install the included hardware and you're good to go. You tighten it up so that you can still move it slightly, and then you'll never have any shifter slop again. And then for the other one, all you do is just install the bushings and put the ears back on the transmission, and that's it. On to the next one. We have to do the large trans bushing. So go ahead and remove the ugly rubber bushing and we'll go from there. Once the bushing's removed, go ahead and install the new Delrin bushing. This has a crush fit of maybe 5 thou interference. It's pretty nominal, so it's close to the stock size, so it'll slide on without too much trouble. Go ahead and install it from the outside. This faces the outside where the normal washer would normally be. So put it like that. Take your hammer, or you can put it in a vise, and just press it through until it's fully seated. Okay, your new bushing is all installed. You can go ahead and reinstall your linkage into the car. I guarantee these things are going to feel like nothing other. They're much sturdier than the energy suspension bushings or even the stock OEM rubber ones. You can see this is the inside, this is the outside. You can use the supplied washer within the kit. The ones in the bottom of the shifter are very easy to install. You can just put them in a vise and squeeze them into the bottom of the shifter handle. And then that's it. If you have any more questions, okay to ask. I often get the question whether or not this is going to be strong enough, it's going to wiggle around. Go ahead and install yours, and then you can tell me what you think. These do not move within the housing. They're very stiff. It's a precision fit, and you'll never have to worry about that. thanks a lot again for watching. This is pretty much your best bang for your buck. Call it the nickel game here. Sometimes it's easy to make a nickel, hard to make a dime, but everybody can afford a nickel product. These are $50 for a complete set. That's 7 bushings, all the hardware. Just install and go. Thanks a lot for watching again.